Heather's over there getting ready for a video. Y'all dare me to go ask her if she likes baby Glocks. Okay, I'll do it.
It looks like a mess out here.
Do you like baby Glocks?
Baby Glocks are the best. They're so cute and so little and so sweet.
You can do a lot of things on this bench.
Like, what do you have in mind? This is just for you.
Do you want a baby?
No more babies for me. I have two I keep saying teenage daughters, but they're young adults. They're in their 20s, early 20s, but they just always seem like they're teenagers. No more babies. The only thing that I want is a baby Glock, the Glock 26. If you hear them say baby Glock, they're referring to the Glock 26. In 1994, Glock 26 was released, and it ended up replacing the snub-nose revolver that was used for concealed carry. The Glock 26, the baby Glock, is a subcompact like the Glock 43X, your SIG P365, your Hellcat. They're real similar in size. The Glock 26, of course, the grip is a little bit wider and shorter than the 43X here. But and you'll see that the slide is just a little bit wider. But it holds 10 rounds. It holds 10 rounds like your 43X. And it will use multiple different Glock magazines. So I have here a couple of magazines, just a few rounds in each one to show that it will use all of these magazines here. Oh, look, we're raising honeybees and one's come to visit. Go away. Okay. Glock 26, the little bitty baby Glock. This is the 10 round mag, just a couple rounds in here. Show that it will cycle it through there. Then we have the Glock 19 mag, which is the 15 round mag. We don't care if that mag sticks out when if we need it, when we have extra ones for concealed carry. When crap hits the fan. Bigger is always better. This one is the Glock 17 mag. Just a couple of rounds to get in there to show that it will cycle this mag through there.
How many rounds does that mag hold?
This one holds 17, like the Glock 17. You want to go homeboy style, you have the 31 round mag. Sticks out. Just a couple. I did not load 31 rounds in there. Next up is the 50 round drum. I only loaded 5 rounds in here. Love it, love it. No other subcompact has the round capacity as the Glock 26. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.